If you've ever opened Microsoft Word and wondered how to make your text look cleaner, more professional, and easier to read, you're in the right place. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to align text in Microsoft Word using the built-in alignment tools in the Home tab. Whether you want your text left aligned, centered, right aligned, or justified, this is a quick skill that can instantly improve the look of your document. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more easy Microsoft Word guides. Let's get started. First, open your Microsoft Word document and highlight the text you want to align. You can select a single word, a full sentence, a paragraph, or even multiple paragraphs depending on what you want to format. If you want to align the entire document, you can use Ctrl+A on Windows or Command+A on Mac to select everything at once. Once your text is selected, look at the top of Word and click the Home tab. This is where most of the common formatting tools are located. Inside the Home tab, find the Paragraph group. This section contains the alignment buttons you need. You'll usually see icons for Align Left, Center, Align Right, and Justify. If you want your text to start evenly from the left side, click Align Left. This is the default for most documents and is best for normal writing like essays, notes, reports, and blog drafts. If you want to place your text in the middle of the page, click Center. This is commonly used for titles, headings, cover pages, and short lines of text that need to stand out. If you want your text to line up along the right side of the page, click Align Right. This can be useful for signatures, dates, or special formatting needs. And if you want your paragraph to spread evenly across both the left and right margins, click Justify. This gives your document a more polished newspaper-style appearance and is often used in formal documents. As soon as you click one of these alignment options, Word will immediately apply it to the text you selected. If the result doesn't look right, simply select the text again and choose a different alignment button. It's that easy. Another helpful tip is that you can use keyboard shortcuts to align text faster. For example, Ctrl+L aligns text to the left, Ctrl+E centers it, Ctrl+R aligns it to the right, and Ctrl+J justifies it. These shortcuts are especially useful if you format documents often and want to save time. Also, remember that alignment works paragraph by paragraph, so if you only select part of a paragraph, Word may apply formatting to the whole paragraph, not just the words you highlighted. That's why it's a good idea to be precise when selecting your text. If you're formatting a title or heading, centering usually works best. If you're writing a body paragraph, left alignment is usually the clearest choice. And if you're preparing a more formal-looking document, Justify text can make the page look neat and balanced. Once you know where the alignment tools are, you can switch between them anytime in just a second or two. So that's how to align text in Microsoft Word using the Home tab's Paragraph group. If this video helped you, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss more simple Word tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.